Sorry. We're just going to buy rice and then we go home. And we're going to take this. This is just $2.50, 5 kilo. We are going to take one of this Energizer battery. This just $9.75, 50% discount. We're going to try this pizza. $6 Hawaiian. Yeah, it's all right. It's frozen. Okay, I have everything in my backpack. And you know, this guy is a good dancer. I saw him in the gym, and instead of working out, he is dancing. And he is not that tall before. He is with his mom when he's doing that. Oh, this battery. I bought this battery because it's very important. Yeah, almost everything are working with the battery. Like this, my bike. Yeah, the bike light. Yeah, this one is already used and it's not working anymore. Yeah, I will. In here I have. So I still have this. 5 pieces of AA battery, and these are the other batteries that I finished. Look at this, 1 2 3. So this is a AA, and this one is AAA batteries. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, it is super windy today. Yeah, they are doing some improvements in here. As you can see, these are all covered with sand. Yeah, this is to protect the houses, the residential area, because on that side some of the trees, oh, my bike is almost falling down. Yeah, some of the trees on that side is already showing the roots. Today I finished at 2 o'clock. Started from 6 until 2 o'clock. We are going home now. I'm not going to the town center. We're not going to bike around because it is very windy. And the wind is very cold. I don't like it. Yeah, we are home and I'm going to eat this. This is the chicken nuggets. I'm just going to put it in microwave. Egg in there, I think it's already cooked. Hot. So this is my lunch. There is a shrimp paste, there is a chicken, boiled egg or steamed egg on the fried rice and rice. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Today I finished at 1 o'clock. Oh, there's one good motorcycle. Good looking motorcycle. On you. God is feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. We are now here. I checked if this restaurant is open but closed. There's not so much people fishing this time, but I can see few people in that side on the end. Sorry, pelican passing through. That's so big. Yeah, that is where we came from, and we are now walking here. And you know, this is a police station for the, what's that, water patrol. Yeah, something like that. Oh, look at those pelicans. They are flying very smoothly. Long time that I have never been here. I think since the COVID has started, I never been walking in that side. Yeah, still the same. The good thing is that all the establishment in their shops, restaurant, they are still open. They are surviving. Yeah, it's do good. Actually, there is no so much many establishments are still going on here in Nelson Bay area, here in this the Bay area. Yeah, there are few that closed already, but you don't really notice them. Mostly are still open. I don't feel like going home yet, so we're going to bike around. I think you must be. Oh, look at this caravan. This looks like a house. That's it. I also went to the ATM machine to take money to pay for the house rent. We are going home now. Yeah, these are the frozen vegetables.